Alright, so let's dive a little bit deeper in QuickLook. We'll start in the servers and appliances section. So again, this is going to give me a snapshot and real-time snapshot of any of my HQ DVS, Enterprise Contact Center servers, and any of my SA appliances. And we can see some brief information like the status, if my services are all running, where my database is at. See some information on disk use, and then information on different event IDs, whether they're informational, warning, or critical. And then I also get a visibility of just a simple icon here of whether things are up or down. So we've got a green up arrow here on all three of these, meaning everything's looking good. So we can drill down, click on any one of these to drill down. And if I click on HQ, at the top here we're getting a status on TAPI, SMTP, and something called Connect Sync. TAPI and SMTP are critical to a server functioning. Connect Sync is an optional plugin that we don't really need to be concerned about at this time. Database, I can see information on my database. It's a MySQL database. Everything's running. And then at the bottom here, this is going to list all of the ShoreTel services running on this Windows server. So these all need to be green. They all need to be running. I do have commands here to stop and start those as needed, or I can do a stop all or start all. If I navigate back to the main QuickLook page and I click on the ECC server, even though that is performing a different function within my system, it is set up the same and is going to give me some of the same information, though there are a couple additional services that might be running depending on what server it is. But again, all of these need to be up and running. And you can see that my main database connection back to that address, which is our HQ server, is up and running, which is good. And then all of our services, with the exception of this ShoreTel Variant adapter, are all running. ShoreTel Variant is a call recording solution through another third party, and in our case we don't use it, so it is not running at this time. No big deal. If I back up and go to the SA100, this is where it'll get a little different, because an SA100 is a Linux-based server appliance, and here we can see some specific information in regards to our IM and conferencing server, which is the SA appliance.